Hello there! You're listening to Pinoy MCU Fan, a Filipino podcast where I get to talk about everything and anything Marvel Cinematic Universe. I'm your host, Jim. Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. I hope everyone's having a great week so far. And this upcoming Monday is gonna be February 14th, Valentine's Day. And since the celebration falls on a weekday, I hope this weekend everyone's enjoying themselves with their families and boyfriends or girlfriends, partners, or friends. And for this special Valentine's episode of the Pinoy MCU podcast, I will be featuring a special guest, the person who made this podcast show possible. The Peter to my MJ, the Tony to my Pepper, the Steve to my Peggy. Please welcome my partner in crime and boyfriend, Jeremiah.
Hi guys, glad to be here. I hope you guys are doing well and hope you guys enjoy this Valentine's Day episode. And please keep listening to the podcast. Thanks.
So, how are you doing today, tonight? Whenever we are recording this podcast show right now, how are you doing?
I am fine. How are you? Wait lang.
Dude, are you doing fine? It's okay. I'm not gonna edit this part out.
Yeah, okay lang.
Okay ka lang. Sige na,
Mm.
magtatagalog na tayo. Ito na, sorry na. I'm sorry, my God. Okay, so my first question for you. To Steve, to my Peggy. My first question to you. Okay. If you guys listened to my first episode, I shared why I started this podcast. And it's actually because of this guy because he told me that I should start one. So I just want to ask you while you're here. Why did you tell me
Mhm.
to start this podcast?
I saw potential in you that um, every time you rant about the MCU related stuff, like it's it's like uh, it's kind of a foundation for something like this podcast. Like
Oh.
maganda siyang gawing
Mm-hmm.
podcast. So instead of just ranting, why just why not use the time to showcase what you know in a podcast.
Yeah. Basically, this podcast show is like a professional or like ano? Professional ba? Hindi na I'm just ranting. No, yeah, but I'm just ranting in this podcast, but like in a more
Civilized.
constructed, civilized. Am I not civilized when I rant? Oh my god. No, kasi ano, 'di ba? I on my first episode, I did share naman na I rant a lot on my Instagram account about the MCU. No, when I
So,
say I rant, what? Ano?
no, so instead of just ranting, tapos yung views, maganda yung points na sinasabi mo doon sa rants mo in Instagram. Pero yung audience, hindi, wala masyado. Like, friends lang
Okay.
natin. Like,
Yeah,
very,
I
very
love my
close friends.
friends, pero he's saying that hindi ko sila target audience.
Pero, kasi yung points, yung main idea, yung main topics na sinasabi mo sa rants mo, maganda siyang gamiting pang podcast. Kasi, um, nakaka, pwedeng can give insights for a newbie, kunyari, na about the MCU. Like, ano ba talaga yung, like, magbibigay siya ng ideas, like theories, ano ba talaga yung nangyari nung snap, bakit ganun, ano yung idea behind that, tapos, ano yung mga possible mangyari after, mga possible consequences kung ginawa nila
Yeah.
ganyan.
Yeah, it's like more like a deep dive of the topics in the MCU. Kasi may target audience naman ako sa friendships natin na ito naman. Actually, dalawang sila. Shout out to Jem and Tris. Yeah, wait, no. We have one more. Si Gaddy din. Shout out to the three of them. Pero yeah, but he's right because I think one of the reasons why I also chose the podcast format of content creating instead of like blogs or I don't know, YouTube. I didn't choose YouTube because like marami na sila dun, 'di ba? Marami na sila dun
Mm.
na nag-uusap ng theories nila and stuff. Pero I chose
Oversaturated siya dun.
yeah, kahit yung mga articles din kasi even though I do write articles too and I submit like MCU related articles to Philstar, um marami pa rin ano, parang what do you call? Marami pa rin pag ano sa ibang websites, marami din nagde-theorize doon. So ang akin naman since wala namang masyadong Pinoy MCU podcasts dito sa Pinas, so might as well I'm gonna dominate. Wow, dominate. I'm gonna be here. So I'm here.
So
And
might as well
yeah.
host
Yeah, might as well
yung
host my own
mismong
podcast.
podcast
Yeah, instead of like waiting for others. Wow.
related sa
Yeah, kasi ano, I do know that there's a lot of people, a lot of podcasts, Filipino podcasts that have MCU content. Pero mostly reviews sila, 'di ba? We both listen to, 'di ba?
mm,
Pero I haven't seen anyone that
wala
actually
masyadong deep dive.
deep dives.
Like,
So,
deep dive and magigive ng insights nila. Mostly yung mga
yeah.
reviews, like, opinion nila, like, sila lang. Kung ano lang yung gusto nila, parang, yung iba, kung ano lang gusto nila, yun lang dapat. Pero yung sa'yo kasi, you're giving insights and also accepting opinions from others.
Yeah.
Like me.
And
Kapag
yeah,
nagbibigay
like
ako
you.
opinion.
Thank you. Yeah, for example, the theorizing episode, I used a lot of questions from them, and then that's when I came up with my own theories and stuff like that. And I'm also doing like actual researched episode, which is the one I'm gonna release more in the future, and then I just released one about the quantum realm. Cause ano, yun yung talaga yung mga bagay na interested ako. Like when we go deep dives into a certain topic, such as this one, because I love the MCU. And speaking of deep dive, I'm gonna ask you a question now. Ang Q&A to. Pero this is mostly for the both of us. But since I host this podcast show, I probably answered most of them. Pero hindi. We're gonna answer them both as a couple. And yeah, right now, are we together? No, we're not physically together. So we're recording this podcast show through
Zoom.
we're recording this over Zoom. So I'm just gonna say sorry in advance if our audio sounds kind of shit. Oh yeah, speaking of audio, if you guys listened to my first episode, my mic there was like super. It was like bad, and then this dude,
It was bad.
it was bad. It was so bad that he. What did you do? Tell them.
I bought her a mic. Like, it's not even the high-end mic. I just bought her a mic to kick things off because I can clearly see like a future for her doing podcasts. So might as well start off by getting her something that she can use,
Oh,
both in her podcast and in work.
oh, thank you. In work, in work. This is my work now. I'm kidding. If anyone wants to sponsor me. Charot. Sponsor agad. Pero yeah, well, now I'm more confident in my content because I sound good. So that's great. Nakaka-boost talaga na para meron kang professional mic in front of you while you're recording a
Hindi
podcast.
naman professional.
No,
Wala.
it's professional.
Feeling
If you guys want,
professional.
I'm gonna link
feeling.
it below. Wow, may sponsor link na agad. Pero hindi, of course I can share the details on this mic. Yeah.
Also, thank you Data Blitz BGC.
Shout out to
Kasi
Data Blitz.
nagets nila agad yung idea ko. Sabi ko yung balot na lang nila kasi alam nila i-gift ko siya.
Wala daw kasi
Thanks Data
silang
Blitz
balot
BGC.
na ano. na may yung paper bag pa lang nakalagay na Data Blitz. Tapos ako napaisip na ako, ano na naman to? Baka
Pero low-key mukhang ham
oo,
yung
mukha siyang ham.
paper bag na yun. So sabi ko, ay pwede na. Pero kung titignan mo siya closely, meron siyang nakalagay na Data Blitz sa
Ham
susulong.
galing Data Blitz. Ham galing Data Blitz.
Thank you
Okay.
Data Blitz BGC.
Ito na ang first question. So my first question, I am actually borrowing and kind of remixing this question from my favorite podcast show, This Week in Marvel, I gave them a shout out in few episodes ago. So my question is for Gerald, what is your MCU fan origin story?
Hmm. Ever since nag-start yung Iron Man, the first Iron Man 1,
In
dahil
2008, right? In
dahil
2008.
techie ako, so, pag umpisa pa lang nun,
What's
nagustuhan ko na
techie?
siya.
What's techie? Ano yung techie?
Techie, mahilig ako sa tech.
Ah, like techie. Okay.
Mm,
Sorry.
techie. So, mahilig ako sa tech. So, kahit sa Star Wars, kasi di ba Star Wars, they have holograms. Doon pa lang na pa-wow na ako na, wow, ang galing na implement din nila in the MCU. Tapos, yung story din ng,
When Iron Man came out, weren't we like 9? 2008?
I was
You're 10.
11.
What the?
10, yeah, 10,
Yes,
sorry.
you're 10.
Ayun, nagustuhan ko siya. Ay, ang ganda rin ng story niya. Medyo nung una, kasi masyadong slow yung start. Kasi nga, di ba, nandun sila sa desert. Medyo natatagalan ako doon as a kid.
Mhm.
Tapos, eventually, as the movie progressed, maganda yung fight scenes. Tapos, after ng Iron Man, hindi ko pinanood yung Hulk kasi hindi ko siya masyadong feel.
Everyone-
Kasi naging fan talaga ni Iron Man.
I feel like everyone forgot about Hulk. I don't
Yeah.
even remember. I mean, we all grew up watching MCU.
Napanood ko lang siya randomly sa HBO.
Same. But did you register
Tapos-
it as like part of the See?
Nope. Tapos, ang next na ata is Thor? Or Captain America. Yung Captain America, napanood ko siya. Ngayon, doon nag-start sa Iron Man and then sa Captain America. Ikaw, what is your MCU fan origin story?
Actually, I don't feel like answering it. Wow. Hindi kasi may episode actually the same yung first episode I shared it na. Same thing kasi I feel like everyone grew up watching the MCU, right? Especially Iron Man. So yeah, it's all started with Iron Man, and then ever since Marvel started the whole Marvel thing, the Marvel Cinematic Universe thing. My family, I would always go out and watch the MCU film. Like, legit. Like, first week, nandun na kami. Wow, first week. I even remember, feeling ko yung mas wow, it's all connected. The first movie ko na ganun is Avengers. Kasi
Same.
kasi yung school namin, nung elementary ako, katabi nila yung simbahan. Tapos yung simbahan may fundraising. Yung fundraising nila, Avengers. yung premiere night ng Avengers, ayun yung fundraising event nila. Eh since ayun yung palabas sa movie fundraising nila, di syempre ang daming pamilyang pumunta. Syempre kami din girl, di ba? Bro, girl, ha? Tinatawag ko rin siyang girl. Okay lang yan. So MCU, Avengers yung palabas nila. So, ayun. Memorable siya for me kasi ayun din yung first premiere na napanood ko na sobrang dami ng tao. Kasi fundraising event siya, tapos Avengers. Ano ka ba? Saan ka pa, diba? Nakakaano. So, yun. Tapos, nung lumaki na ako, parang, when I saw that, mas lalo pang nag-expand yung universe ng MCU, aside from the Avengers, parang, oh my God, now, I gotta keep up. So, habang nag-keep up ako,
Kailangan yung pinapanood. Kailangan updated.
Kailangan updated ako. Or kaya, I'm reading stuff. Like, kailangan, sino ba si Thanos? Sino ba yung Guardians of the Galaxy? Sino ba si Gamora? Ganon. So, from all of that reading, now I'm here. Now I'm here. I'm talking about the readings that I read. Ganon. Yun. So, speaking naman, so since MCU fan tayong parehas, for me ang paborito ko na character, nahihirapan pa rin akong pumili, to be honest. Pero the easy answer, the fast answer is gonna be Iron Man. Because he started this whole thing. If it wasn't for him, we're not all gonna be here. Wow. Literal, we're not all gonna be here. I'm not gonna be hosting this thing. He's not gonna be guesting this thing. You will not be listening to this thing. So, yeah. Um, Iron Man, it is for me. How about you? Who's your favorite MCU character? MCU ha,
Ah,
hindi from the
I
comics. Mm.
Iron Man din kasi yun nga, techie siya. Tapos nung 'di ba doon sa introduction niya dun sa first movie, nakalagay MIT, like MIT graduate siya. So as an engineering savvy dude, napaisip ako, ay ang galing MCU, MIT grad siya. Sabi ko, wow, engineering. So
Yeah.
parang siya yung naging initial motivation ko to take up engineering back then.
Wow, are you building your own suit? No.
Yun yung idea ko dati, like building yung suit. Pero as I progress dun sa engineering program ko, hindi siya ganun ka-attainable right now kasi nga hindi pa
Yeah.
ganun
Yeah,
ka
our MCU
wala
tech
tayong
and
wala
our
tayong
tech
ano.
is not the same.
Mm.
As much
Wala
as
tayong resources.
MIT is real, if New
Mm.
York is real, graduating from MIT is real. Our tech is not as real as theirs. So, nangangarap na lang ba, bro?
Ah, ganun nga rin, like sa ano na lang, dreams. Siguro sa pag-collect na lang din ng figurines, parang doon na lang ma-express yung passion about being Tony Stark,
Mm-hmm.
being Iron Man, like ganun na, hanggang ganun na lang siya. For now,
Oh.
for now.
Nako, parehas pala tayong Iron Man stan. Wow. Pero
Kasi siya,
actually, biglang
siya
ganun
kasi
na
yung
yung
una ko
reaction.
nakita eh.
Oo, true.
Pero MCU, besides MCU, kahit sa games based lang, hindi pa comics based. Sa games lang, yung mga lumang Avengers games. Purely Iron Man lang ginagamit ko.
Wow. Naksaman.
Kasi, di ko lang sure. Ewan ko, kasi si Thor, kapag sa games, OP siya. Pero
OP.
hindi ko lang siya, OP, pero hindi ko siya gustong gamitin as a character. Mas okay si Iron Man kasi ewan ko, flexible siya.
Saka, sobrang sikat na rin talaga si Iron Man, ano. Kahit,
Mm.
kahit mga hindi ganun ka-fan, kilala talaga nila. Pag sinabing Marvel,
Mm.
they're gonna think of Iron Man. Diba?
Kasi siya
Ay,
parang, yun siya nga yung nag-kick off nung
MCU talaga.
MCU.
Mm-mm.
Without him,
We
kundi
wouldn't be
successful
here.
kundi successful yung Iron Man 1,
Yeah.
wala na tayong multiverse.
Wala tayong multiverse. Yeah. Walang multiverse without Iron Man.
Mm.
Yeah. And since parehas pala tayong Iron Man stan, if he was real, I
Mm.
personally think that I would hate him. Kasi billionaire siya, and we all gotta
Capitalist.
agree. Yeah, he's a capitalist. He's a
Mm.
he likes war. I mean, he made his money from war. So, pero in the end naman, yung Stark Industries, diba?
Character development.
Oo, nagpalit sila to green energy, right?
Mm.
I know that it's not part of hindi siya masyado discussed sa MCU, but I hope somehow they were able to share the energy, the green energy that they have from the arc reactor. Kasi,
Hindi
I don't
nila
know.
i-monopoly.
Oo. No, not really. Yeah. Kasi, alam mo, kung totoo lang talaga si Iron Man and the whole Stark Industries stuff, siguro, we wouldn't be paying so much money for
Mm.
paying our electric bill. But okay, besides that, I'm sorry, I'm going off tangent. So speaking, fellow Iron Man stan, which MCU character best describes you? Why and how?
Rocket Raccoon.
Oh my god, the panda, the trash panda, why? Cause
Yeah,
you're
the Trash
trash?
Panda.
Cause you're trash?
Yes. Just kidding.
Aw, I love trash. I eat
Uh,
trash.
uh,
I eat trash. I'm kidding. Oh.
I just like him because he he's kind of cute, to be honest.
Are you
Like,
cute?
do you think I'm cute?
Why do you think I'm dating you?
Okay, see. Anyway,
You're cute.
like
To
he
me.
he is like for weapons wise, he thinks fast. He's quick
Yeah,
witted. So
he's super
that's
quick.
that's what I like about him. And somehow in some situations, that's kind of me. And
Kinda. Just
also,
kinda.
yeah,
Just
kinda.
kinda.
And also Rocket is small
Oh
like
yeah.
me.
Love you, my short king. My short king. My
What
short
about you?
king.
Which
Actually,
MCU
me.
character?
I don't know. I'm too stressed to be any of them, to be honest. I don't know. I actually don't know. That's the thing that I should think about. And I don't know. We've been drafting this episode, and I've been staring at that question, and I just don't know. I guess I'm one of those bystanders. Yung mga literal na normal people lang sa MCU. Tayo yung mga tipong nagbabayad ng car insurance. Kasi si Spider-Man, sinira yung car niya. Tapos hindi
Yung mga
nabayaran ng... Oo, tapos hindi nabayaran
civilian
ng...
casualties.
Oo. Tapos hindi babayaran ng Liberty Mutual yung coverage ko. Kasi
Ah,
yung insurance na nabili ko, wala si Spider-Man doon. Avengers,
hindi
main
covered.
6 Avengers lang yung covered nung car insurance ko. So, ayun, feeling ko ako yun. Biktima lang din ako ng mga superhero. Ako siguro yung mga tipo ng tao na go for Sokovia Accords. Yung mga ganon. So, sobrang normal lang po talaga ako. Nakaka-relate po ako dun sa mga aktivista, sa mga normal na tao sa MCU. So, sorry alam kong ako yung the Pinoy MCU fan. Wala pong, yeah.
Walang
Walang na,
character that
walang
describes.
character. Oo, my God. Nakakaloka. I feel like a fake fan. Wow, biglang gano'n.
Fake fan.
Hindi. I feel like the most realist thing about me is that I will be a bystander in the MCU. So, ayun.
Pwede kasi Shuri.
Shuri, I'm not that smart. I'm
Smart.
fucking...
You're smart.
Did
Ayun nga
you...
lang sobrang smart.
She's so smart. And like, she's making Nikes for a king. I'm not making Nikes for any king. So, yeah.
Short.
Anyway. Okay, since magjowa tayo. Wow! Magjowa! Since magjowa tayo. Question for the culture.
Yes.
Criteria nyo ba na dapat MCU fan? Yung boyfriend, girlfriend, partner nyo. You start off first. Because you have such a short answer for this one.
No.
Why?
Kasi as long as walang hate sa being a fan of something, okay lang. Ang pangit lang kasi na maging yung you're being a fan tapos yung isa naman, yung partner mo, i-judge ka. Bakit
Hater.
ka fan yan? Oo, hater. Tapos i-judge ka like every memorabilia, figurine na bilin mo,
Yeah,
i-judge ka. Bakit
that's
kailangan
just
pa kalat
trash.
lang?
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
just
pero-
trash. Dapat hindi mo siya shota kung ginagawa kanya.
Yun, so parang ganun lang. Parang mas as long as no hate sa being a fan, okay lang. Kahit di siya fan, as long as ikaw fan, as long as wala namang hate in between, it's alright.
Okay, that's true. I gotta agree to that. But, halatang but. But, kasi ako, for me, yes, criteria ko yan. Kasi hindi tayo magtatanggal.
Add ko lang,
Ano?
mas maganda nga talaga pag both fans kasi may click, iba yung click.
Yeah, I mean, okay. I'm saying yes right now, the dapat criteria ko to, na MCU fan dapat siya, yung person. Pero actually, hindi naman, when we were talking, like talking stage pa lang, wala pa kaming wait, how do I describe it? Parehas naman na tayo mahilig sa MCU before we started talking. But when we were on the talking stage, we're not like actively thinking na, ay, hindi siya fan. Ay, fan to. Hindi kami ganon. Pero, syempre, in the long run, eto, parang for me, gusto ko na nakadapat ganyan. Dapat MCU fan siya. Kasi, K-pop fan din naman ako. And, hindi ka naman siya K-pop fan. Pero nakikinig siya sa Twice. Nakikinig lang siya sa Twice.
Nakikinig lang, pero as long as, wala naman akong hate.
Wala naman siyang hate. So, supported naman yung
Support lang.
Multiple albums ko, ganun. Tapos, iniyak ako siya nung hindi ako nakakuha ng ticket, no, sa BTS. sa concert, and then I cried to him, which is great. So now for
And also,
MCU.
binigyan ko siya nung Nendoroid ba yun?
Oh yeah, he gave me the figurine
Ano, Funko.
Funko Pop ng BTS. So now
Oo.
na parehas kaming MCU fan, we both cry. Hindi lang isang tao yung umiiyak ngayon. We both cry over the MCU. And then now I'm just waiting for my Spider-Man Funko Pop. So it's Valentine's Day. So so tick tick boy, the time is ticking.
Just you wait.
Just you
I might
wait.
have something.
Charot, hindi. Baka nabili ko na. Ay, charot! Nabili ko na pala. Pero yun. So, since parehas naman tayo MCU fan, and it's on my criteria, kahit wala siya sa criteria mo, what do you think? Does liking the MCU brought us together closer? Or what do you think?
Yes. Kasi, yeah, fans tayo pareho. Tapos, hindi lang siya like as a form of entertainment for the both of us. Nagiging ano rin siya, additional topic of
Yeah.
conversation din. So
Especially
may
that I rant a
pag-uusapan
lot.
tayo. Yeah, yun din. Tapos ngayon, di ba, you rant a lot before. Ngayon, na translate na siya to being a podcast. Di ba? So,
Yeah.
ano rin. So, may benefits din yung being both fans kasi you support each other.
Yeah, I don't feel
And-
alone in this. Kahit I solo host
Saka-
this show.
Saka she also asks me questions before she does the podcast. Kunyari may nalito lang siya somewhere. Kasi ko-confirm lang. Kasi mas nagdi-deep dive siya, nagre-research siya about sa MCU. Ako more on comics based ng konti.
Yeah,
So,
I am more of
pero
kasi-
nagko-confirm lang siya.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah,
kunyari,
nagko-confirm
tama ba
lang.
yung sinabi? Kasi minsan makakalimutin.
yeah.
and also being the MCU yung MCU na gano'n rin nag-bring up siya ng gift ideas.
Oo, mas easier, 'di ba? Kaya guys,
Like-
kahit hindi kayo parehas ng fan ng isang bagay, mas parang ang ganda pa rin kung fan ng something yung partner mo. Para mas easier yung gift ideas. O kung K-pop fan siya, alam mo na, album. Kung MCU fan siya, alam mo na, Funko Pop. May ganun. So, napadali ang buhay sa gift giving. Yun lang. Hindi, tsaka
Hindi lang siya
ano,
kasi
weird
Hindi mo
ka
rin
kasi. Di ba weird ka
Bakit?
kasi? Hindi ka nanonood ng kahit ano. Like, hindi ka...
ng series.
Goy. Guys, hindi kami madalas tawag dyan, nagna-Netflix party watch or whatever it is. Kasi he doesn't watch series. He doesn't watch movies. So, parang in a
Nag-
way,
ng movies pero
you do.
series hindi. Kasi
Series
medyo
hindi.
nabobore ako.
Oo.
Kasi lalo na yung mga bagong series, hinihintay ko lang muna siya matapos bago ko siya panoorin. Kasi
Yeah, and then if
tamad
it's
ako
way
maghintay
too
kasi
long,
nakakalimutan ko. Oo. Kapag yung per episode, 1 hour, naku, hindi ko na,
that's why I had
tama rin ako
to,
na siguro 1 or 2 episodes lang.
when the MCU and Marvel Studios,
Pero except nung
oh,
yung sa Marvel Studios nga. Yung pinanood
Except-
ko lahat. Pero,
I had to
except yung sa
force him.
Hawkeye.
Wow. I have to force him. Pero
Medyo,
hindi.
lang, medyo salty lang ako kasi
1 week ano?
50 minutes yun alam ko, di ba? 50 minutes per episode. Tapos 10 to 15 minutes yung credits. Sabi ko, ano ba naman yan?
Saka
Ang
joke
tatagal.
time. Joke time kasi. Kasi syempre, titignan mo yung episode. Makikita mo yung time niya, di ba? Nakalagay 50. So, akala mo, okay, movie length naman. Tapos, habang nanonood ka, kita mo na lang, bigla na lang natapos agad.
So, yun
alam
na.
mo
So,
matagal.
mag-expect ka na may after credits, may end credits. Ayun pala wala, thank you lang, yung Spanish, ganito, ganyan, yung languages.
Oo.
So,
So, parang,
sabi ko, parang, hindi
in
naman
a way,
disappointing. Parang
bakit
umasa ka lang.
Oo, bakit ang haba kasi sinama pa yung
Ang haba.
credits dun sa sa mismong runtime. Kaya parang nakakaloka. Pero yun, at least nakakanood kami sabay kahit papano. Dahil sa Marvel
MCU
Studios.
related.
Pag MCU related lang. Kapag non-MCU, Diyos ko,
Saka
kailangan... Mag-aaway
Sa-
pa. Nag-aaway, hindi nagtatalo, girl. Nagtatalo kami kung ano papanoorin. Ayaw niya, gusto ko. Ayaw niya. Pero okay lang kahit hindi kami nanonood din. Nung non-related na MCU. Ay,
Saka
non-MCU
saka
related na
sa
movies.
MCU naman, as long as may malaking impact sa susunod na movie,
Kailangan on the
papanoorin
dot.
ko.
Ikaw on the dot. Ako lagi ko lang
Oh,
pinapanood kasi. Don't
kagaya
have
ng
that.
Hawkeye, kasi yung Hawkeye, sabi ko, hindi ko siya masyadong feel panoorin. Initially, nung in-announce yun, sabi ko, ay, parang maganda. Pero nung sinabi niya sa akin na yung first and second episode, medyo nawalan ako
Yeah.
ng gana.
I'm sorry. I liked Hawkeye, but knowing him, knowing how he watches, I'm like, yeah, you're not gonna like this, like waiting every week. Pero ako rin, aminin ko kahit hinintay ko siyang panoorin like every week, may mga weeks na nasiskip ko siya, hindi ko siya napapanood kasi, I don't know. I'm sorry. Hawkeye, I love you, but hindi ka ganun ka memorable for me. Oh my God. Pero Loki
Hindi siya
talaga, no?
yung
Inabangan,
Loki.
Diyos ko. Loki
Yung
talaga
Loki saka
inabangan
What
namin.
If.
What? Oh my God. Yung dalawang yun, maganda talaga.
Yung Loki talaga kasi ang ganda ng story niya. Parang
Mm-mm.
talagang very mysterious siya. The first half, no? First half nung pinaka-series, nung season, very mysterious siya. So parang ang ganda talaga yung panoorin. So talagang hinihintay namin. Talagang iuunahan pa namin yung isa't isa na sabihin
Oo, magtatalo kami
tapos
pag
ka na
nauna
ba?
isa.
Tapos ka na ba
Oo.
sa work? Talaga nagmamadali kami. Like ako, honestly, bahala ko nang panoorin siya the moment it was released. May work pa siya, puso ng panoorin. Ganun ako ka-excited. Parang ayaw na siya hintayin kasi gabi pa siya
No,
matatapos.
I think you did that one time. You just didn't tell me that you watched it
Ay, hindi.
already. I never.
Wala. Sino
Wow.
yun?
It's
Sino
probably
yun?
me because I watch it during work.
Ikaw, alam ko. Kasi tinanong kita one time, sabi ko, napanood ko. Ano lang,
Pero we can watch it again.
start lang.
Start lang.
May feeling of guilt siya eh. Sasabihin niya, sige, we can watch it again. Kasi
We can watch it
guilty.
again.
Hindi ako sinabi.
Pero hindi kasi pag, ewan ko, nasanay din ako na I need to watch it again. Kasi yung una, parang legit reaction siya. The first time I watched it, it's like legit fan reaction na, oh my God, parang ganun. Pero,
Yung
the second
second,
time that I'm gonna watch it, I'm gonna be like, ooh, analyzing.
detective na.
Oh, detective na ako. Like, I'm actually making sense. So, yeah. So, it's not, yeah. It is also guilt. But I also need to watch it again. Ganon. Yeah.
Okay, back to the question. Ikaw,
Back to the
back
question.
to the question kasi layo na eh. Does liking the MCU brought us together ba?
Yeah. I think I answered it. We were discussing
Di
this
pa.
question. Oh, you want me to answer? Okay.
Oh, sige.
Yes. Because of the stuff that I mentioned earlier. Hindi, yeah. But just to expand on on his answer. Yeah, kasi since nagra-rant nga din ako a lot. So, parang nag-aano kami. Parehas kami nag-iisip. Parehas kami nagbe-brainstorm over the same topic. And yeah, and we like sending memes to each other about the MCU. He also run the Instagram account. So he helps me post sometimes. I'm forcing him to post more. Yeah, tinuruan ko pa siya paano
And
maghanap ng
also,
tweets, ganun.
mostly kasi, yung thoughts natin about a specific topic, halos pareho lang. So, kunyari, yung
Oo.
friends natin, may hindi naintindihan, or may someone na parang iba yung, what do you call this? Parang
Theory?
iba yung view doon sa talagang possible na nangyari na ako rin at ikaw nag-agree na dapat ganito talaga kasi ganito naman talaga yung storyline. Parang i-judge natin sila.
Uy, Huwag mo naman ako i-expose ng ganyan.
Hindi naman judge. Like,
Hindi. Pero again,
parang,
it's just us. You're not gonna
mm,
hear me be like that here. It's just the two of us, of course, kasi kami naman yung nag-uusap. Pero hindi, yeah. Sometimes, we theorize together. Um, yeah. And also, kasi 'di ba pag MCU fan ka, if you like watching MCU movies, napapamahal ka na din sa mga aktor. So, in a sense,
oh,
loving the actors in the MCU also opened us to more possibilities of watching non-MCU related movies. Parang related lang siya sa MCU kasi same actor, gano'n. Di ba pinanood natin yung
same
kay
actor.
Sebastian Stan na, I
Oo.
forgot what it's called, but like, Sebastian Stan is in Greece and he's
So,
like,
yun din yung reason kung bakit parang gusto kong panoorin. Aside from being a game, yung bagong Uncharted ni Tom Holland,
oo.
gusto ko siya panoorin kasi parang perfect candidate as the character si Tom Holland doon as Nathan Drake.
Uh-huh.
So, sakto sa kanya yung character. So,
Have you played that game or Uncharted?
yung hanggang 4.
Was was he tall, the game?
Yeah, somehow.
Sabi niya, yeah.
Alam ko matangkad si Nathan Drake. Nasa around almost 6 something. Game-based
Oo.
hindi ko sinerch.
Hindi ba sinerch? Pero yeah, I think ano pa man pinanood natin? Mostly si Sebastian Stan pa lang. Kasi I like
Oh, yung
Sebastian
Kiseb.
Stan. Sorry. Pero, personally ako napanood ko na kay Tom Holland, yung mga
Yung
non-MCU.
Chris Evans.
What? Which one? Do you
ano
watch
movie
it?
yun?
I haven't watched any Chris Evans. Like,
Yung isang movie niya, yung may child.
Gifted? Is that it? I
Ah.
think it's Gifted, yeah. Napanood mo
Yan,
na.
napanood ko yun.
Hindi ko pa napapa. Ay, ano yung napanood natin? Yeah. The most stuff that we watch together is Sebastian's work. Sorry. Sorry. Yeah, sorry. But yeah, I think we're gonna line up other stuff too. Right? We should.
Other movies.
Other movies. Yeah. Next question. So next question na. What makes an MCU fan an MCU fan? So, who wants to answer this one first?
Ikaw. Kasi ikaw yung Pinoy MCU fan.
Okay, oh my god. Okay,
Ikaw
of
muna.
course, anyone can be a fan. Of course. Anyone can be a fan as long as you like the Marvel movies, you are automatically a fan. And if you say that you're a fan, then you are a fan. I think just for me, as long as you enjoy, as long as you like the characters, as long as you're critical of the characters, you are a fan because that's what we do. We enjoy whatever Marvel Studios puts out, and if we don't like it, then we voice it out, but still in support of the project of Marvel. And we all and every time we criticize, and every time that we criticize Marvel Studios, we do that to help them improve. And I think for me, being a fan kind of has its weird levels or like I don't know category, ganon. Hindi naman level kasi pag level parang may hierarchy, 'di ba? So I'm just gonna call it like a category. So I think ako, how would you categorize me?
Mga levels? You mean levels?
Not level.
Ay, sorry.
Category.
From like beginner to expert, ganun ba?
Hindi, parang, hindi naman, kasi pag if you say it like that, level, parang may hierarchy, di ba? I
Ay,
think
oo nga
for
pala,
me,
sorry.
ano lang ako, deep diver, gano'n. Kasi I like theories, I wanna call myself a theorist, but yeah, I guess, but I like myself as, a deep diver, I guess. Like, I like going deep into stuff in the Marvel universe. So, yeah. Ooh, why are you doing that face? Why are you doing that face? Why? How would you categorize yourself as an MCU fan?
I'm more of a comics based
Your comics? Kaya MCQ nga, hindi naman Marvel fan. So I'm
Yeah, pero
asking.
wait lang.
Yeah, you're right. Okay. I get it.
So
I'm
like
sorry.
yung yung MCU, like, lahat na nangyayari doon, mostly fina-fact check ko siya sa comics. Siyempre, may
Okay.
changes. May changes
Yeah.
dito, may changes doon. So, adapt na lang. Kaya ko
Mm-hmm.
naman siyang i-adapt quickly. So,
Mm-hmm.
yun, ganun ang ginagawa ko.
Yeah, I
So,
think
parang ganun ko siya ganun ko mga-categorize sarili ko.
mhm.
More of a comic fact checker. Gets ba?
Yeah, a comic fact
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 checker.
fact checker. Yeah.
Mm.
Regarding that whole comics and movies thing, I have like a very strong opinion about that. You do know that, right? I told you about it before.
Mm.
Yeah. So I think I'm just gonna share that on another episode. Wow. Another episode pa. But
You
yeah,
guys
I
better
am.
listen to that next episode.
Yeah, because it's gonna be kind of controversial. Wow, controversial. Hindi. Pero I am reading this book about the Marvel comics, and it's pretty good, and I like it. I've been posting about it on my Instagram. The book is called All of the Marvels. It's an amazing nonfiction book about a fictional universe, and I like it. The book is really great. It talks about the history of the whole Marvel universe, like as in sa comics. So
Mm.
I'm getting a gist of it. So I know. I bought comics too before, and then I read them, and then it was hard because I didn't understand at first, and I hate it when I don't understand something. So I gave it to him. Di ba?
Marami kasi kailangan ma-complete mo yung
Oo.
isang set para ma-understand
Yeah.
yung story.
Yeah, which is
Hindi pwede yung ano tawag, isang comic lang.
from that series. Because mostly the
Mm.
series is like, when we talk about a series, usually 10 comics siya per interval, ganon. Pero the book that I'm reading, it says like, no, you just have to embrace being curious. Which is, I did not do the first time. Kasi curious naman ako about dun sa characters. I think I have an Avengers comic, right? I bought one.
Mm.
Pero, I tried reading it. Mahirap talaga. So, parang unang-una, kailangan mo talaga may mindset ka to be curious and to not know stuff. And that's what the book is great about. But also at the same time, because ang kulit ko talaga, I'm reading a book about Marvel history. In the actual comics, ha. Kasi ang dami talagang comics, so parang
Mahirap
na-overwhelm
hanapin.
ako. Oo. So,
Madaming versions.
Oo. Kaya that's why I got a book that explains everything. Para mas confident na ako pag babasahin ko na yung mismong comics. Pero then again, since ang dami nga nila, we should not kind of expect that everything's gonna be super, super, super on point for
Mm.
the movies. Cause I just finished a chapter of all of the Marvels, and it was about Spider-Man, and like it was like the thickest chapter on the book.
Yung Spider-Man talaga, kahit based dun sa mga findings ko dati. Dati talaga sobrang curious ako.
Yeah, he's
Ang
super
dami
old, right?
talagang
Since
ang dami
1960s. Oh my
talagang
god.
version ng Spider-Man.
No story ni
Like,
Spider-Man. Oo.
So, talagang sabi ko, yun palang, once na na-introduce si Spider-Man, hinihintay ko na agad yung multiverse. So, kailan ba yun? Kay Andrew pa lang, ini-expect ko na magkakaroon ng multiverse. So, kailan ba nilabasin kay Andrew?
2014, 2015. No. 2000s. Early 2010s.
Kay Andrew.
Kay Andrew. Kasi Toby is early 2000s. Yan.
So, yung nilabasin kay Andrew, gusto ko na agad makita yung multiverse. Kasi dalawa na sila eh. Yun yung thinking ko. Eh, yung sobrang lawak ng ng Spider-Man. Ang dami nilang pinagdadaanan.
True. Sabi ko nga, buti hindi ko pala binasa yung comics. Kasi malilito ako. Kasi sa 60, ilang years na ba? Since 60s, 1960s na run ng Spider-Man comics, may part na mga ilang beses siya siyang namatay, tapos di pala siya namatay. Ilang beses na namatay sila Doc Ock, sila hindi pa rin namamatay. Nabubuhay uli. So parang, nakakalito talaga. So, pero nung natapos ko yung chapter na yon, dun ko naintindihan na, okay. So, turns out this whole time, yung tatlong Spider-Man natin, si Toby, si Andrew, and Tom, they're all comic accurate. Syempre, kailangan din naman not all
Mm.
of it, pero yung characters, yung plot, yung nangyari, yung basis ba na Iron Man Jr. siya. Meron talaga sa comics, pero I think much later na siya in the 60 years
mas,
na naging ano,
mas
oo.
bago lang.
Oo, much bago lang pala yung basis nung comic run na yon. Pero the basis of everything that we're watching is like a mismatch. Yan. Mismatch ng ano, ng ng comics kasi ang ano lang talaga is depende sa pelikula kung anong part ng formula ang i-adapt nila sa film kasi. 'Yon. And yeah, sa katagal-tagal naman ng Spider-Man na story, meron na siyang formula ng plot which is always dalawa yung buhay niya, laging ano, like laging multiple lives yung nililive ni Peter Parker as Peter Parker and then as Spider-Man. Tapos laging merong namamatay at his hands, at his decisions. May
Buti wala siyang
responsibility.
identity crisis, no?
Oo nga, actually, ayun na yung ano niya. Identity crisis, ayun na yung buong plot niya. Ganun. So parang depende na lang talaga din sa mag-a-adapt ng movie kung aling part ng formula na yon yung mas i-highlight nila. Ganun. So, we can
Mm.
all argue kung alin ba yung pinaka-comic accurate, kung alin ba yung pinaka-maganda.
Mm.
Pero it all comes down to our own opinion natin kung sino yung greatest.
Preference.
Oo, kasi all of the three movies, they're giving a different vibe of Spider-Man from the comics. So, kung kanino ka na lang mas connect, di dun ka. Di yun yung favorite mo. Understandable. Ganon. So, yeah. So, if I don't like the comics, but no, wait, I do like the comics. I'm just trying my best to start reading it. So, pero kung hindi naman pala comics fan, yung MCU fan, or there's MCU fan pa rin ba sila?
MCU nga so yung cinematic universe lang.
Cinematic universe. Oo. Pero as someone who doesn't read the comics yet, pero MCU fan, we should treat the comics as like a Bible. Kasi nga, di ba, sabi mo, doon tayo nagfa-fact
Mm.
check. So, yon. We have to still treat the comics as a Bible. Kasi
Hindi,
kung hindi dahil sa comics, wala tayong lahat dito. Yun yun. Walang MCU kung walang Marvel Comics.
wala si Spider-Man.
Wala si Spider-Man kung hindi dahil sa Marvel Comics. Di ba?
So, next question. How, for us to how does the MCU affect our lives as a couple? So, siguro, rin, life in general na rin. Like, affected ba ng MCU yung how we treat each other, ganun.
Okay, you answer.
Ako muna.
Go.
Ako muna, for life in general, syempre bata pa, 10 years old Nung napanood ko yung Iron Man 1, I expected companies, like the big tech companies, somehow in the near future, like a year or two after the movie released, meron ng ganon. Syempre, siguro nangangarap.
We do.
Kasi bata.
We do. The mask,
Yung,
where you say like, Jarvis,
hindi.
open. Does that count?
No. Hindi, I mean, since nung release ng Iron Man 1, like,
In
hindi
2008.
I mean, okay na yun kasi thinking ko dati, kaya ko rin naman gawin yun, like, out of Lego, ganun. Pero, gusto ko sana yung like holograms, ganun. So, pwede naman ata yun. Kasi nga, after ko si panoorin, nag-research ako ng konti. Possible naman daw, pero with the use of mirrors. So, not technically hologram pa. So, ayun ang in-expect ko for life. Like, kung ma-affected ba yung life natin, ganyan. So, for as a couple, lang siya, the MCU gave us something to talk about.
Yeah.
in
Because
a
if it
spare
wasn't for it,
time.
I don't think
Mm.
we would have something to talk about.
Tapos, ano naman, kung affected ba yung ano natin, like how we treat each other, hindi naman kasi natin fino-force isa't isa to like something like, kagaya nga nung Hawkeye, di ba? Hindi ko nga pinanood kasi nga hindi ko
Yeah.
feel. Hindi mo naman ako finors doon.
Yeah, and then
So,
I even gave him the decision to not watch it
mm,
anymore. Kasi alam ko
hindi
he
natin
wouldn't wait for it.
fino-force yung isa't isa to like something just because the other likes it. Parang no
Yeah.
hate lang.
Yeah, I mean, no, I mean, I did like, no, I still like K-pop,
Mm.
specifically BTS. I'm a big BTS fan. And I didn't force it to him. Although I did force him to listen to some songs.
Okay, to be honest,
Oy,
not dito related MCU ha. So, nung una kasi, hindi ako masyadong fan. Low-key lang. Low-key pa lang ako kasi more of, Blackpink and also Twice.
mhm.
Medyo hate niya yung Blackpink.
Hoy, I don't. Why would you say that? I don't
Joke lang.
hate them.
Medyo hindi naman hate. Like, lang niya. Mas, lang siya. Bias sa BTS.
Yeah, I'm so sorry.
Tapos yun lang, medyo force niyo ako dun sa BTS.
Yeah, I forced him to stream it kasi I don't know. It's BTS. I love them that much. Pero hindi. Pero pag sa MCU naman, I don't
Sa
force
MCU na,
him
wala.
to watch it with me. Ganun.
Ano
I
with,
don't.
pag MC, gusto natin manood, ako
Yeah,
gusto kong kasabay ka. Ang problema
Oh,
lang minsan,
time.
na we're
Because
in the,
I'm
yeah,
working.
time, and also we're in the Philippines. Hindi reliable yung internet. So,
Oh
everything
my
na,
God.
yung group watch sana,
Mm-mm.
it's okay sana, good idea. Pero, kada ipe-play namin, merong problem. Hindi
Yeah,
naglo-load,
I don't know.
nagka-crash.
Mabagal yung Disney Plus dito, no?
Mm.
Mabagal. Ay, kaya ginagawa namin, hindi na kami nag-group watch. Tatawagan namin sa isa, tapos ipi-play namin ng sabay. 3, 2, 1.
Bibilang
Tapos
kami.
bibilang moment na nga. Bibilang. Pero at least, hindi rin kasi, tsaka, I think we don't really need the group watch anyway. Kasi
Mm.
wala rin naman chat option eh. Di ba?
Pero minsan din, kung yung ginagawa natin, hindi, rin eh, minsan nauna ako matapos eh. Like,
Mm-mm.
naghihintay pa ako ng mga, pinakamatagal ko 10 minutes. Naghihintay ako 10 minutes.
Nag-buffer kasi yung akin.
Oo.
Ganun.
Like, sabi ko, grabe naman. Mabilis naman yung internet nila. So, sabi ko, paano nangyari yun? Kala ko naman nag-crash bigla. Hindi nag-play or something. Tapos, ayun nga, nag-buffer nga. Tapos yung sa akin,
Mm-mm.
after yung sabihin sa akin na nag-buffer siya, siguro after 2 minutes, ako yung sumunod. Pero,
Kasi,
and yet,
weird
nauna pa rin ako.
Weirdo kasi yung Disney Plus talaga. Kahit gaano kabilis yung wifi mo. Kung may something sila sa mismong website nila, magbabuffer sila.
Hmm.
Kairita. Kasi minsan ginagawa ko pa, chinecheck ko pa yung Netflix. Oh, nag-load naman yung Netflix. So like, what is Disney Plus up
Sa
to?
servers lang
Sa
nila.
server na. Kasi sabay din minsan kapag depende sa shift ko sa work. Nasasabayan natin yung mismong labas, diba?
Surge.
Oo, kaya
Siguro yung mga
nasasabayan namin.
surge ng mga viewers nila,
Mm-mm.
nasasabayan namin. So, may huge amount of traffic. Nagba-bottleneck.
Mm-mm.
Kaya
Hindi
Disney
ka-
Philippines, please, isama niyo na kami sa Disney Plus.
Naghihintay pa rin po kami Nakasakay tayo, kanya tayo nakasakay. Shout out kay Jem. Yan, hindi, ikaw. Ako lang pala
may sarili
nakasakay.
ako.
May sarili siyang Disney Plus. Ako nakikisakay kay Jem. Jem, if you're listening, shout out sa'yo. Shout out sa'yo, ang aking provider ng Disney Plus. Yes! Ayun. Pero in
So,
life
ikaw?
in general din. Yeah, ito na.
Ikaw.
Ako. Me. Hindi. In life in general din, aside from helping us, like us as a couple, the MCU brought me closer with my friends. Shout out, Gem Tris. Kasi, I don't know, some of the problems in the MCU, like the MCU heroes, we're also kind of experiencing that. So it's kind of nice to talk about our problems in the POV of, I don't know, of Peter Parker or like Tony Stark or Shang-Chi. I fucking
Mm.
love Shang-Chi. Um, yeah, parang new perspective din for us to see things from the MCU point of view. And it's nice that aside from my boyfriend who talks about MCU with me, I also have friends that know shit about that they know shit about MCU as well. So although I gotta take the crown and say that I'm the most I'm the most like MCU na MCU talaga. G na G talaga ako sa MCU ganun. May point ka na munti ka na akong mag-book ng isang buong cinema para lang sa Spider-Man No Way Home. But then the pandemic happened. I mean, the
The
pandemic was
surge.
happening. The surge
The
happened.
surge.
So we had to like I didn't
Cancel.
go. Yeah, we had to cancel. So I'm still waiting for my refund. Yeah. So that's kind of sad. But we are waiting for. We're waiting that yung ano Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of
Multiverse
Madness.
of Madness.
There's reports na there are reports na they will be
Hindi,
premiering it at the
first
same
dito.
yeah
Sabi,
at the same time.
nakita ko, ewan ko kung memes siya, pero nakikita ko, mas mauuna daw Southeast
Yeah.
Asia.
There's a bunch of memes, but honestly, I don't think it's gonna be like mauuna lang tayo. I think
Feeling ko sabay lang din.
sabay lang din, pero kasi time zones
Mm.
ganun.
Mm,
Ganun lang
mm.
naman yun eh. Kasi syempre, tingnan mo dito 10 na, pero sa America 9 pa rin. Parang
Mm.
ganun. Or wait, baliktad ba? Baliktad, nauna
Depende
tayo.
sa state.
Ay, hindi, 10 dito. Kunwari mag-show dito ng 10, pero sa kanila 11 palalabas. Parang ganun. Right? Kasi ganun yung endgame ba? Ganun yung endgame eh. I remember I was still living
Sabay yung
in
endgame
Hawaii.
eh.
No, I was still living in
Sabay,
Hawaii.
nag-premiere dito umaga eh. Nag-premiere din sa States ng maaga. Kasi yung ninong ko nanood ng premiere.
Oo,
Kami
kasabay
gabi
nyo.
lang.
Wait, how come ba't ang pagkatanda ko, late ako? Wait, no, okay. Wait, I was a student.
Napanood namin, premiere pa lang kami. Pero yung nakuha namin yung pinaka-late.
Is this still premiere day? Oh my God. The
Mm.
last time I watched something close to premiere was, I think, Ant-Man. Kasi yun yung may kasama ko nakikisigaw. Di ba nakwento ko sa yun? Nanood kami ng Ant-Man. And then, kasi Ant-Man and the Wasp, it came out after Infinity War. And then yung end credit scene na Ant-Man and the Wasp, it was fucking crazy. I started shouting. I started jumping. And I wasn't the only one who did that. There's like a bunch of fucking fanboys and fangirls in the theater with me. Nasaan ba yun? Nasa Vegas ako nun eh. Nasa Las Vegas ako nun. Kasama ko yung pamilya ko. Relatives ko. Tapos ako, nagulat din sila sa akin kasi ba't ako nakikisigaw? But like, guys, I know if you guys have seen Ant-Man and the Wasp, yung end credit scene, you guys would know how hyped that was.
The
It was
hype.
amazing. Yeah, that's like, I was super sad that I wasn't able to watch Spider-Man No Way Home. Because I was waiting to
In
experience.
theaters.
Yeah, in theater. Because I was waiting to have that same
Bumili
moment.
pa nga tayo, bumili ka pa nga ng masks eh.
Yeah, I was like super excited. And like, I bought a Spider-Man mask from Shopee. From Shopee? Salamat Shopee. From Shopee. And then I didn't even get to wear it. So, that's just sad. Yeah. Pero, gusto ko na rin ma-experience yun dito sa Pinas na parang manonood ako ng Marvel movie and then everyone in the theater, they're like crying, they're all screaming, they're all shouting. At appropriate
Gasping.
times. Yeah, gasping yung isang ganun. Oh my God, I
No,
remember
naalala mo
watching
yung sa
Ant-Man.
Sa Eternals.
Ay, sa Eternals
Nanood tayo ng
talaga.
Eternals.
May kasabayan kami.
Ang dami nag-gasp.
Oh my
Yung
God,
narinig ko.
when the person died. Oh my God. Yeah, someone dies in
Dun-
Eternals. Pero
Hindi,
yeah.
nagpakita si ano, sa
Yeah.
dulo na.
Yeah, the end credit scene, that one. Amazing.
Ang
Fucking
dami,
amazing.
ang dami nag-gasp. So, nakigas na rin ako.
Nakigasp ka. Mga delay ka ng 2 seconds, ganun.
Pinakinggan ko muna kasi baka mamaya ako lang eh. Sabay,
Samantalang ang
noong,
lakas ng sabi ko, he's so
ikaw na,
hot. That's the
ikaw
first
na
thing
rin,
they said.
ikaw una narinig ko.
Yeah,
So, ikaw
kasi
na sa left side
nakakita
ko.
Oo.
Reclining yung kinuha natin.
Yeah.
Di ba once?
Malayo-layo.
Nandun,
Tapos
oo,
once
narinig
depart
kita.
ka.
Tapos sumunod din sa likod ko. So, sabi ko, ay, nag-gasp sila. Sunod na rin ako.
Gaya-gaya. Cloud chaser. Charot. Okay. Now we're getting real.
Mhm.
Wow, we're getting real. Okay, what happens when you guys disagree on something MCU related? How do you guys deal with that? You go first.
Mm, kami naman, we don't necessarily disagree. Pero sometimes kasi I over-explain things. Minsan hindi niya nag-grasp yung context ko. Pero kasi over-explain lang naman. Tapos may isa-summarize niya. Kasi nalito siya. Tapos after niya ma-summarize, saka kami mag-a-agree. Tapos, wala na. After nun, bati naman kami. In the end, bati naman kami. Tapos, kung if ever lang naman magkaroon kami ng disagreement, nagsasorry naman kami sa isa't isa. Tapos we admit our mistakes.
Yeah,
Agad.
I'm sorry.
Like, hindi na naman namin pinapatagal. Saka, ina-admit ko rin naman na na-over-explain ko yung mga bagay. Tapos maya magugulat na ako, ay, na-summarize. Ang galing.
Ay, galing. Oh, Yeah.
Na-summarize niya. Kasi minsan, nalilito ako sa words. Hindi naman sa dyslexic ako. Nalilito, parang nawawala lang minsan yung ibang words.
Hindi kasi, ano kasi sa MCU, may certain terms talaga. No. So, parang, yeah.
Oo.
Ako pa naman si term girl. Sorry. Medyo,
Yun nga, so, ayoko rin naman gumamit ng maling term.
kasi masakalito.
Masakalito siya.
Tapos
Kasi
yung si term
i-explain ko rin
girl.
yung term na yun. Kapag i-explain ko yung term na yun, hindi niya na iba dun sa term na alam niya. Pag i-explain ko naman yun, madadagdagan ng isa pang term. So, malilito siya na malilito.
Yeah.
So, ang ginagawa ko na lang usually, tinatanong ko na sa tama ba, ganyan. Tama. Pag sinabi niyan tama, edi tama yung idea ko. Hindi ko na ino-over-explain.
Mm-hmm.
Pero sometimes, hindi mo maiwasan na ino-over-explain ko yung theory ko. Yung pala, pareho lang pala kami.
May gagi. May time na madali rin kasi ako, pag nalilito kasi ako, madali ako ma-frustrate. So, minsan, nalalabas ko kay Boss Jeremiah. Yung frustration ko, which is, inaamin ko naman din agad na, ay, sorry, na-GG lang me, ganun. Mabilis naman din ako makalimot. So, makakalimutan ko. Makakalimutan ko din ba't ako nayamot. Pero, oo, may one time na nag-over-explain siya, tapos nag-over-summarize din ako. May one time din na na nag-explain kami ng theories namin. Kala namin magkaiba kami. Tapos, kakaganon
Pareho
namin
lang pala.
kakaganon namin for 30 minutes. Parehas lang pala yung theory namin.
Yung sa No Way Home.
No Way Home ba yun?
Oo.
Oh, about which one? Which theory were we talking about?
Yung ano lang.
See, I forgot na. Yung?
Yung mga villains. About sa villains lang. Like, hindi sila, like, tawag ito. Hindi sila makakapunta, like, kung normal spell lang yun, kung hindi na-break nila low-key.
Yeah.
Yung ano.
Yung multiverse in the first place. When they didn't kill the dude.
So,
He remains.
Kung hindi nangyari yun, yung wish ni Tony Jr. ni Peter Parker na makalimutan siya, in-snap lang mangyayari. Wala na yung interdimensional na mga villains. Walang mangyayaring ganun.
Oh, or actually, in the first place, hindi pa. Siguro natawagan pa ni Peter muna. Yung MIT before going to Strange. Kasi siguro the moment that he steps foot in what do you call that? In Bleecker Street, in the house, siguro na ano na siya ng TBA agad na, uy, bitch, you should not be here. Ganun. Nagganon na siya for sure agad-agad.
Ayun na-over-explain ko, tapos na-oversimplify mo. Pero nung na-oversimplify mo, na-gets ko na agad.
Same lang pala tayo.
Yeah, you same lang. Tapos tawa ng kaming tao.
Same lang pala tayo. Hindi kasi, we think of the same things, pero we see it from different angles. Wow. Wow, angles ka, girl. Ayun. So parang, in a way, we're just talking about the same thing. Pero, siya sa right, ako sa left. Ganun. Diba? For our last question. Wow, for our last question.
Last.
Do we have any couple plans in the future that involves the MCU? Do we?
Ako, movie dates. Saka,
Yeah.
ang pinaka gusto kong gawin natin, like, punta tayong conventions.
Dude, oh my God.
If allowed
True.
na ulit. Kasi,
Wait, when you mean conventions, where?
di ba, kahit local lang.
Okay.
Siyempre, hindi pa naman tayo
Because I
makapunta
was-
ng San Diego Comic Con.
I'm sorry,
Kasi
I
kung
was
Comic Con
like
talaga, iwan kita doon.
Uy!
mawawala ako sa tabi mo sa Comic Con.
That's okay, because I would be paying all my money to see the celebrities anyway.
Pero kung local kasi, kaya ako gusto rin. Kasi may mga toys. Ang yun yung habol ko. Gusto ko makakita ng mga toys. Saka yung mga like exclusive busts, yung mga models, like figurines.
Yeah. Kasi
Usually
dinidisplay
first
nila
day
na
yun
lang.
eh. Oo.
Dinidisplay
First day,
naman.
oo.
Oh.
Usually first day yon ng convention dito.
Hmm.
Tapos, mostly yung iba doon, nandun pa yung mga gandang mga, kung may hinahabol kang specific figurine, doon mo makukuha first day. Tapos, the succeeding days, usually wala na masyadong tao. Yun yung magandang pumunta if you're just looking for a toy na hindi naman ganong ka-popular.
Mm-hmm.
Saka may mga events din eh.
Did they still do that? Kasi pandemic.
Dati
maganda. Oh yeah,
kasi
sa
naka-attend,
Mall, ano?
pero hindi ako naka-attend ng first day. Siguro nakapunta lang ako mga a few days after. Tapos, wala, ano lang naman, naghanap lang ako ng kung ano-ano. Tumitingin-tingin lang. Kasi hindi lang naman ano yun eh. Like MCU based.
Yeah,
like,
they have
lahat,
a lot when
lahat
it comes
talaga.
to
Conventions. Yeah. Pero ang pinaka-hinahanap ko doon yung mga hot toys.
Oh shit. I wanna see one.
Kasi
I wanna buy one. But
meron akong 2 Iron Man na hot toys.
Okay, flex.
Pero kasi parang gusto ko lang siya makita out there in the market. Like magkano ba ang presyo niya? Usually nakakakita ko sa convention like very low.
20? No.
Minsan lower pa, like special character siya, tas going for a low price. Kasi siguro first day, so binibigyan talaga nila. Tapos after na nun, kapag pumunta ka na the following days ahead, wala na inaano mo. Kaya, ang hot toys kasi very collectible. So, yung price niya nag-i-increase, nag-a-appreciate through time. Depende sa character. Usually,
yeah,
ang
it's
ang
an
mahal.
Investment?
Small investment lang kasi minsan 1-to-1 lang ang bawian. Yung ang pinaka-collectible Iron Man, lahat ng Iron Man. Well, actually, hindi lahat. Ang pinaka-collectible yung malalaki. Yung Hulkbuster, meron ninong ko.
Oh my God.
May nag-o-offer sa kanyang malaki offer. Pati yung Igor. So, inaalagaan niya pa rin hanggang ngayon. Nasa box pa, naka-plastic. Yung nasa akin, yung Mark 42.
Which is from, Mark 42 is from Iron Man 3,
Iron Man
right?
3. Pero hindi yung full
I know my shit. That's why I'm the Pinoy MCU fan.
Hindi yung full suit pero meron lang ako ng Tony Stark Tony
He's wearing,
figurine
no, wearing
na,
that.
na mismong, figurine na yung pinaka-head mismo ni Tony.
With the
Tapos
Mark
interchange.
42?
Wala. Ano
Ay,
lang
wala
siya.
ba?
Accessories lang. Parang,
Ah,
alam mo yun, di ba, nandun siya sa suit, yung sa Hall of Armors niya. Yung 1 to 7. Yung nag-aayos siya ng Mark 42 doon. Yung tinetest niya pa lang. Yung scene na yon meron ako ng figure na yun. And then also yung Mark 6 na iniyakan ko pa sa Singapore.
bakit?
Kasi
Why?
nung nakita ko yon, kasi yun yung parang pinnacle of suits so far nung nag-Singapore kami. Mark
When was
6 kasi
that?
for Iron Man 2.
No,
2000
no, no,
ano
I
eh,
mean,
2012.
okay, lumapas na nga yung ano.
So nung napanood ko yun, sabi ko, ang ganda ng Mark 6. Actually, Mark 4 yung pinakagusto ko, pero Mark 6 na lang. Mark 4 kasi natatanggal yung ulo ni Tony. Hiwalay. Eh, gusto ko lang na may ulo.
Ulo.
Tapos, Mark 6 yung nakuha. So, mahal pa rin, pero iniyakan ko kasi.
Wow, buti pa yung laruan, iniiyakan mo.
Wow!
Uy!
Grabe!
Uy!
Ano
Wala to. Charot,
lang siya,
iniyakan ko lang.
collectible. Collectible lang din kasi. Pero,
Mm-mm.
based dun sa, very fragile siya. Sila.
Mhm.
Like, legit, for posing lang siya. Hindi mo pwede siyang laruin. Kasi,
Kasi ano
nilaro
naman
ko.
talaga eh. Oh, pero pwede mo siyang magalaw, no? Kasi syempre
Posable siya.
kapag
Pwede mo siya
i-display mo, pwede
i-pose.
siyang magano.
Pero hindi mo siya pwedeng gawing literal na action figure
Collectible
na.
talaga siya.
Hindi
Oo.
siya pwedeng
I think
action figure na kung saan mo lang
I
nilalagay.
think kapag laruan na action talaga, action figure, I think it's the Marvel Legends na toy line, 'di ba?
Yung
With
maliliit.
Hasbro.
Yung mga
Oo.
6-inch, 7-inch ata figures yan.
Yeah, yun yung from Hasbro, right? Yung
Mm-mm.
Marvel Legends na line nila. Ayun talaga, pero maganda rin naman na gawa nila doon. Hindi siya yung parang Barbie na masabi lang na, si Shang-Chi to, si Tom Holland Spider-Man to. Maganda yung paggagawa nila. Kamukha niya talaga si Tom Holland. Kamukha naman. Pero syempre, hindi ganun ka-detailed, unlike Hot
Mm.
Toys.
Yung Hot Toys talaga parang kala mo true to life.
Ayun talaga, maganda
And
talaga yun.
continuous yung improvement nila.
Yun talaga magandang ipang-collect. Pero,
Wala lang. Yun yung gusto kong makita sa mga convention ulit. Kasi makikita mo sila, dinidisplay talaga minsan nila.
and you're not gonna see that here a lot, kahit sabi mo pumunta ka lang tindahan. Hindi, nakatago talaga yung mga ganyan nila, di ba?
Sa Philbars
Nakabox
nga, di ba?
talaga. Oo.
Sa
Hindi
Philbars,
nila,
nakakahon pa.
yeah, hindi
Siguro
nila
yung
nakadisplay.
di-display nila yung hindi masyadong collectible.
Oo,
Pero
para lang
sobrang rare
makita.
naman yun.
Oo,
Kasi
lahat
kinabukasan wala na yun.
Kahit nga tawag dyan. What do you call that? Kahit
Yung,
Funko. Ay, hindi, lahat naman kasi ng Funko, makikita mo naman kung kahit
Kasi yung Funko,
naka-box.
naka
Naka may screen siya. May transparent na balot.
Ikaw ba?
Yeah.
Ano plans?
Yun din. Movies lang. Pero,
Movies?
yeah, gusto ko talaga sa sinehan. Siyempre kasama kita, ikaw, driver. Driver ko. Ang mahiwagang driver. Hindi, tsaka gusto ko talaga. Sorry gusto ko convention talaga sa San Diego. Gusto ko
Same.
din bumalik
Yun naman
ng
din gusto ko.
Amerika. Like,
Iba yung vibe eh.
Oo, iba talaga vibe doon. I mean, na-share ko naman sa first episode ko na doon ako nang galing. Sa Amerika po ako nakatira po ako doon for how many years? Because I went to college there. I stayed there. I lived there in Hawaii for 5 years. So, sa loob ng 5 years na yun, I was able to like visit Vegas a lot. And
Explore.
I've been able to explore. I went to LA, but I never went to Disneyland. I'm sorry, because I'm a Harry Potter fan, so that's where I went. to Universal Studios. Pero kasi nung 5 years na nandun ako, wala pang Avengers Campus, 'di ba? Kasi ano na, Avengers Campus opened during the pandemic, and I'm home by the time that the pandemic started. Yeah. So that's kind of sad that I wasn't able to visit LA for Avengers Campus. So that's one of the things on my bucket list. And I'm not going there if
Soon.
Jared is, yeah.
Soon.
I'm not going there if his ass is not if his ass is not coming with me. So, mag-ipon ka na, Jeremiah. Ipon ka na, Jeremiah. My God. Yeah. So, ipon-ipon na lang for... Yeah, and I also want to go to New York with his ass for MCU-related stuff. I'm just gonna go there and stand like, wow, this is Queens. Wow, ito pala yung Queens. Wow, ito pala
Hanapin
yung
natin,
Brooklyn Bridge.
hanapin
Wow, ito
natin yung
pala yung
ano,
ano.
yung
Oh,
Stark
Del
Tower.
Mars. Oh, yung Stark Tower. I mean, it's not real, but you can probably find the street, right?
I
Tapos
know.
Photoshop na lang natin yung mismong Stark
Yung
Industries
kila
na tower.
Strange, yung ano.
Oh, the Bleecker Street,
Oo.
the stuff. Yeah, that's gonna be great. Yeah, ano pa ba? Del Mars? Oh, but Del Mars is not real.
Yung
Del
corner
Mars,
lang.
yeah, the corner. Oh, dude, the bank across Del Mars from
Oo.
Spider-Man. That one is real. That's a real bank in somewhere in Queens, I believe. Yeah, ano pa ba? Gusto ko rin, basta yung mga spot lang na very MCU.
New Jersey.
New Jersey. I'm gonna go there for what is it called? Lakeview. Wait, is it called Lakeview? Or am I just No, wait,
Westview.
it's Westview. Why did I think of Lake? It's not Lakeview. Westview. But I don't think it's a real place there, is it?
No? No? Ay,
Yeah,
ano
it's
po?
not. It's not. Yeah. And
Puntahan mo
then
yung camp ni, ano, ni Captain America.
it's in New Jersey. Ew, I hate the military. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. I kind of dislike the military, but yeah, because I lived in Hawaii for 5 years and they have military presence there. And I have to admit, it's not one of the greatest. There's a lot of stuff about the military that I dislike. So it's kind of ironic for me to like Captain America
Mm-mm.
and Tony Stark and stuff. But yeah, I learned a lot about Captain America and about the military system in America. So it's a pretty, yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, fun fact. The Captain America first comic came out like a day or a year something before Japan bombed Pearl Harbor in Hawaii. So that's just pretty fucked up if you think about it. But yeah, we wouldn't have Captain America if it wasn't for World War II. And Sam Wilson and all the other stuff. We wouldn't have them without World War II. I'm not saying that we should be thankful, but we should like acknowledge that, right? And also, I want to go to Europe. I think alam mo yung Brooklyn na luma sa Captain America, the first Avenger. Yung
Mm.
kung saan talaga siya natin. Film nila yun sa UK, sa England. I think sa Liverpool ata yun. So I just want to be there. I just want to take pictures and be like,
Tapos
dito
takbo ka
tumakbo
rin
si...
doon.
Oh, tatakbo din ako. Tatakbo din ako. Tatakbo din ako. Tatalon din ako dun sa may tubig. Kasi dun din yun. So, tamang pa-picture-picture lang.
Tumatakbo rin.
Tumatakbo din po. Ganon. Ano pa ba? Pero yeah, sorry hindi local yung akin So
Okay
mag-ipon-ipon ka
lang.
na. Ipon-ipon ka na. Yeah. Pero talaga goal talaga yung
Avengers
yung
Campus.
Avengers Campus talaga. Tsaka gusto ko kung babalik ako ng Amerika, at least dapat time. Parang basta may premiere din na Marvel movie at that time. Kasi
Para worth it.
para worth
Red
it
carpet.
kasi hindi naman ako nangangarap ng red carpet. Pero like premiere night lang with fellow American audiences kasi It's fucking crazy, bro. I mean, I watched Ant-Man and the Wasp, and it wasn't the premiere night. It was like the second premiere date or something like that. Parang malapit lang sa premiere, pero hindi siya yung mismong premiere. It was
Mm.
crazy. Everyone's fucking shouting. It was amazing. I felt free. I felt free. Yeah. Ang funny pa, hanggang lumabas kami, ang ingay namin. Kinakausap ko na yung puti na nakaupo sa likod ko. Yeah, ganon siya kasaya. It's just fun, like knowing that you're seated beside someone who's like a big fan as you. So, I mean,
Mm.
Hawaii was great, but it was a
Siguro,
small island. It's not,
imagine mo yung
yeah.
impact nung sa Endgame. Yung
Hmm.
umangat yung hammer ni Thor.
Oh my god, and it was in
Captain America.
Thor. Oh my god,
Oo.
yeah.
Imagine mo yung impact. Imagine mo yung audience,
Did
mga
you guys
kasama mo nun.
scream? Did you guys scream? Like you
Ako
guys, kasi nanonood kang
napa-wow.
premiere. Were you
Napa,
guys like, was it a
napa-oo
theater?
ako, napa-oo.
Oh my god, that's
Pero
great.
hindi siya ganung shouting, like, like halos lahat lang
Mm-mm.
din nag-oo. Yung tanda
Mm-mm.
ko.
Oh my god, I don't know. My show in Hawaii was they were quiet, so I'm like, oh, I feel like I was like the only one fucking crying when Iron Man died. So that
Nung
was
ano,
kind of,
nung di ba namatay si Iron Man?
yeah.
Paglabas nung cinema, may mga nakita pa ako nagpupunas ng luha. Hanggang,
Nagpupunas
pauwi
ng
na kami,
luha.
nang sabi ko, nagpupunas ng luha dito, doon. Sabi ko, grabe, impact talaga. Ako na paluha lang ako noon kasi shock, more on shocked ako eh. Hindi ako naiyak na namatay. Na-shock lang ako na ganun yung death niya. Tapos yung iba talaga umiiyak. May narinig pa ako sumisingot kami. Gumagano pa siya.
Lakas ah.
Oo,
Gumagano na.
wala
Gusto kong
talaga.
makaranas ng ganun, my God.
And ano yun partida mga gabi na yun. Almost last show.
Puno pa rin kayo na, no? Kahit last show.
Punong-puno.
Wow.
Basta premiere, kahit anong gawin mo, puno ang premiere.
Mm-mm.
Siguro,
Nasa
kung
culture na
late,
din talaga, no? Ng Pilipino.
kung walk-in ka, tapos premiere lang pumanood ka premiere sa walk-in, siguro makukuha mo yung kanto-kanto. Ganun yung
Mm-mm.
experience namin sa Infinity War. Nung Endgame, nakapag-pre-book kami.
I don't know.
Kaya,
Hawaii's like small, so I can like just go. I
oh,
can just go. Yeah, anytime. The only reason that I would like book in advance because I want good seats.
mm,
Ish. Ganon. My God. I still have my tickets from I think I still have my tickets from Black Panther and Far From Home and Infinity War. The Endgame one,
Endgame.
I think diyan kasi ako nagkamali eh. Kasi yung tita ko sa Hawaii, yung tita ko sa Hawaii, she works at 7-Eleven. And then 7-Eleven employees get like, she works at like the HQ, sa headquarters ng 7-Eleven sa Hawaii. So she was able to get like tickets na sponsored ng, I think every time na may release na partner ng 7-Eleven. Kasi di ba yung Cops, di ba, Jeremiah?
Mm,
Sorry, nickname niya kasi Jeril. Ano, di ba yung Cops ng 7-Eleven, nandun yung movie. So I was able to watch Deadpool dati. Deadpool
mm,
and Infinity War. And then I also watched Endgame with my tita. The thing is that everyone in the theater is from 7-Eleven and their family. So like, they were not fans. They are just people who wanted to watch a movie because it's paid for free by 7-Eleven. So yun, parang I didn't feel like the hype when I was there. But I was feeling the hype on my own, which is great. Oh my god,
hype
it was
yourself.
fun. Yeah, by myself. And I was seated up front and yeah. I was like crying on my own and then my cousin was looking at me. It's like, Ate, are you crying? I'm like, no, I'm not crying. Gaga Gaganon lang.
Just
Nakaka
sobbing.
just sobbing. And then yeah, every time I watch a Marvel movie, I had to like sit outside for like a long time. And then I would call him. I'm like, bitch, did you know what happened? Guess what the fuck just happened? Yeah. I remember watching Far From Home, and then I called you as I was driving. I was driving home, and then I called you, and then I kind of almost like I was spacing out while I was driving. Thank God I drove home safe. Actually, no, I went to the mall, right? And then I ate ice cream because I was like so sad. What the fuck
Stress ka
happened?
nun eh.
Yeah, come on.
Kaya
Ayun
nagtanong ka pa sa
pala,
akin, Joy,
siniset up.
kailangan ko ba, bibili ba akong ice cream o hindi?
Sobrang stress ko. Bili ba akong ice cream or hindi? Wait, no, I
Sagot
think
ko agad, yes.
I asked you that about um Endgame. Cause dude, hello, Iron Man fucking died. That shit is fucking depressing.
Mm.
Kasi nga naman, what the fuck is the MCU without Iron Man? Right? So,
Iron
it was
Man
really fucked up.
Jr.
It was really fucking fucked up. I had to eat ice cream and stare at nothing in the middle of a mall in Hawaii. So,
Contemplating about life.
look, I wanted to cry, but I'm in the middle of the fucking mall. Katabi ko pa yung fountain, di ba, taray? Nagdadrama.
Drama yan.
Bakit ka sad? Namatay si Iron Man. Ganun. So, do you have anything else to share with our listeners for this special Valentine's episode?
I think that would be all.
That would be all. Oh my god.
Mm.
That is probably why you're not the host of this show. Kasi you're kailangan madaldal ka. So for me, as I'm
Okay
gonna
naman.
ano?
Kasi almost same naman tayo ng ideology. Like, yung mga theories natin na ko-connect naman. So, and you also ask me questions before you release a podcast. So, malay mo, yung question mo na yun, masasama sa next podcast, ay sa next episode. Saka mas sa MCU, mas ano ka talaga, mas profound yung knowledge mo dun.
Salamat. Wow, profound. I like that. Cause I do talk about. Wow, I do talk about. Yeah, I talk about profound things. Wow. Hindi, mataldal lang po talaga ako. Madaldal lang po talaga ako. Hindi, tsaka gusto ko rin ng outlet for all this MCU stuff. Pero yun, ako talaga, kaya ako po ang inyong Pinoy MCU fan. Yeah, maano lang. Yeah, so, is this gonna be your first and last special guesting on
It
this show?
depends.
Actually,
You
we're gonna
guys will
have...
see.
Yeah. Oh, you guys will see. Ito na nga eh. I'm gonna tell you
Soon.
guys. Soon, next week. Yeah, next week, I will be releasing another episode featuring this guy. Because it's February. So, it's Valentine's
Love
month.
month.
Yeah, it's the love month. So, from that, next week, for next week's episode, we will be talking about couples in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. And we are currently drafting our list of couples. So, it's gonna be interesting. Kasi, yeah, we are so gonna judge these couples. And I know they're like fiction. Yeah, we all know they're fictional, but come on. The MCU feels so real to me right now that yeah, we gotta judge the way they love each other in that universe. So, if you guys wanna tune in to our next week's episode, please make sure to follow the Pinoy MCU Fan Podcast and connect with us on Instagram. Ano ba yung Instagram natin? Tanda mo pa ba? Ang ating handle.
At the dot Pinoy MCU fan.
Yeah. At the dot Pinoy MCU fan. Kaya siya may dot. Kasi ayaw pumayag ng Instagram for yung isang diretso lang na the Pinoy MCU fan. So, we gotta compromise. So, yeah, connect with us, you guys, and we will see you guys next episode. Bye!
Bye! Thank you! Thank you, guys!
Thank you! Bye! Thanks for listening to the Pinoy MCU Fan. If you enjoyed this episode and you'd like to support the podcast, please share it with others, post about it on social media, or leave a rating and review. To connect with me, you can follow me or message me on Instagram at the.PinoyMCUFan. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!